Big Papa here. You know, out west here we have a phenomena and a company called In-N-Out Burger. In-N-Out Burger has an off the menu, like 30 different ways you can order it if you know. So a couple of them are animal style, where they'll take the patty and on the flat top they put mustard on it. What I'm going to make here is sort of my favorite versions of In-N-Out Burgers all cloned into one. So this is going to be animal style number one, which means there's some mustard on the patties when they're getting griddled. Really cool. Little Louis. They don't use it, but they should. And then we have some secret sauce, which I buy at Trader Joe's. I can make it too. I happen to like this. Now the next thing is it's double cheese. Now there's a burger called a Flying Dutchman. It's 2 thick slices of cheese. I'm using 4 thin slices. And it's 2 patties and 4 slices of cheese. But the thing that's interesting to me is the Flying Dutchman meets the grilled onion. So we're going to grill these on the flat top. And then a whole grilled onion with a Flying Dutchman is a burger where the onion serves as the bun. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the animal style Flying Dutchman with whole grilled onions, but I'm going to put one on a little keto bun for me because I'm watching my carbs, and then one on a nice sesame bun because little Louie isn't watching her carbs. I have 4 Wagyu patties. Let's put that little Louie's on it. Seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. Wonderful. We're going to go outside and cook them, and then I'm going to come back in here and assemble them for you. Let's get the onions on first, because they're going to take a while. Big, thick onions. If you don't like onions, I can't help you. That's going to give about a 5-minute head start. Good steaming. Okay, let's get the burgers ready. Now we're not smashing them, but we're going to make them a little thinner. Let's do that animal thing. A little mustard. Look at those babies go. Toast some buns. Get the mustard cooked into the patty. Look at those beautiful caramelization. Crazy burger here. There we go. Okay, let's assemble these up. Louis, Papa's, secret sauce, lettuce, burger, secret sauce, burger, secret sauce, and done. There you have my tribute to In-N-Out Burger. It's not a double, it's a single, but there you go. Adios.